back to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be doing a Home Bargains haul. I haven't been to Home Bargains once in 2020, so this is my first time in a long time back at home, but I don't think I've been this year. It had some great stuff in. I was actually really impressed. It was really nice to get out. Like, going to Home Bargains for me right now is out. And it was really nice to do that. The staff were really nice. So I picked up a few things I wanted to show you. Ow, this cup of tea is hot. I have got a green and lemon tea today, one of my faves, in one of my fave mugs. I will actually link this mug down below. I always get questions about this. It was a Christmas present from Lawrence's aunt. So it's one of my fave mugs, to be honest. Are you old? Have you been to Home Bargains yet? Have you been to Poundland yet? I did walk past a Poundland and there was a queue, so I thought, do you know what? The aisles are narrow, there's a queue, just not feeling it today. If you're excited for today's video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And also, if you're new, my name is Sophie. I make 3 videos every single week all about living your best life on a budget. Anyway, let's get into the haul. So I've got a couple of bags for life here. Should I start with this bag? Oh yeah, I didn't show Lawrence, I got him those. Okay, I will start with some of the garden stuff that I picked up. The first thing I picked up is some solar panelled lights for my garden. I do actually have quite a lot of lights going on in my garden at the moment, but no colourful ones, and I just feel like colourful all year round is a good choice. So I found these colourful 50 LED string lights. They were really affordable. They were $2.99 and there's 50 on there, which is actually a very, very good value for money. I'm actually really impressed with that. I didn't want to buy more than one box though, because sometimes you just buy these and they don't last very long. So I will give these a go and see how long they last. But I was really impressed with Home Bargains for their lights. They also had lots of like white lights and off-coloured white lights, like amber lights. For £1.29 I picked up this round pastry cutter set. Lawrence and I are doing a lot of baking at the moment. We've just got a Kitchenaid, which is on my bucket list. It was on my bucket list. We've got one and I'm so happy with it, but it means we're baking all the time now. We are baking a lot, and one of the things that Lawrence loves to bake is cheese scones, and he needs some of these because he's been using a mug, the top of a mug, so I don't know why we haven't got these yet, but they're like the serrated different sizes, like small, medium and large, but they're also great for like making Christmas cookies and stuff. I'm not going to get into Christmas right now, it's a long way off. Yeah, so these would just be great. We really needed these, and for £1.29, absolute bargain. So at the moment Home Bargains has an entire bee range, and obviously you know me, bees have a soft place in my heart. I've got a whole section of my garden dedicated to bees. I will link my garden video down below, but yeah, they've got loads of bee stuff. So the first things I picked up from that section is these gorgeous ceramic, are they ceramic or enamel, or they're like tin mugs, those nice tin mugs, and one of them is just white with a green rim and it's got lovely little illustrations of bumblebees, and the other one is the same green colour and it says don't worry, be happy. These are the cutest things. I absolutely love them. They were so affordable. These were only £1.99 each, which I think is great. Like, what a lovely spring, summer type mug to use. These would also make a really, really lovely, affordable gift for like someone's birthday. I would love to receive something like this for my birthday. Also picked up from the bee range 2 little tumbler style glasses with bee prints all over. The bee prints themselves are so cute. I'm actually going to check, so probably it's not dishwasher safe. Hand wash only, yeah, so hand wash only. I reckon these bees will peel off, but I think they're great for the summer months. Like, absolutely the cutest. Can you imagine putting a nice pink lemonade in this? It will just look so nice. So the glasses were £1.49 each, again ridiculously affordable. You just can't go wrong with stuff like this. Hopefully, like, it's safe enough to have like a really nice barbecue at some point this year with family and friends, and just how nice would it be to serve some nice cool drinks in here. For £5.99 I picked up this gorgeous bee ceramic jug. Oh my goodness, I just love this. Like, I love this so much, but it's gorgeous. It's so nice. For £5.99 I would expect to see something like this in Sophie Allport. Like, it's got that very similar style, like with the tiny little prints. So it's really, really, really good quality. I'm really impressed with it. Again, how cute would this be if you just had people over for like a little summery thing and you could serve them drinks out of this. They also had quite a lot of Citronella candles, and I've never seen one as cute as this. It basically looks like Winnie the Pooh's honey jug, with a citronella candle inside. So if you don't know what citronella candles are, they're basically candles that have like a very citrusy smell, and flies and really annoying bugs basically don't like the smell of them, so they'll stay away from you. So in the evenings, if we're eating outdoors, I will just light this on the table that we've got the food, just to keep the flies away. It will last a long time. I know that Poundland are also selling Citronella Incense also, and I did actually buy some Citronella Incense from Amazon, and it's actually so good. It works so well. We light it in our house, so no flies stay in the house, they go back out the window. It smells so good. It smells so good. So I will actually link the Citronella Incense down below. But yeah, I thought this would be a great thing to have in the garden. I just love the pot. And then when I've finished with the candle, I feel like I can repurpose this pot into something super duper cute, just because it looks like Winnie the Pooh's honey jar. For $3.99 I picked up the Springtime Zoflora, the extra large bottle. This is like the biggest one you can get. It will make 20 litres of dissolved solution. So this stuff actually smells really nice, smells very good. I don't use it too often, but especially right now I like to just spritz all of my handles all of the time. So I am kind of going through Zoflora and anti-bac type stuff quite quickly, but this smells so good, really delicious. Okay, this seems really cheap, but my receipt says it. So for 89p each, I got boxes of grass seed. To be fair, there's not much grass seed in here. Like, this is all very grown up for me, very grown up, but I just really need to sort my lawn out, because I moved into this house last year and I've really got into gardening the last few months, like really got into gardening, and I just want like this really thick lovely lawn. And yeah, I've got patches at the moment, so I've got 3 boxes of lawn seed. Don't know what is up with hay fever this year, but my hay fever is so bad this year. It's just so much worse than any other year. I'm actually feeling okay-ish today. I took some Kitchenaid spray in the morning and that seems to have worked just for today, but up until today I've been really suffering badly, and I asked you on Instagram if you are as well, and a lot of you are also suffering. So I just feel like it's one of those years we're gonna have to like get through it together. But something that annoys me with hay fever is the congestion and unable to taste anything or smell anything. So I bought some of this, which I've actually never seen in my life. Albus bath oil. So this stuff you specifically can put in your bath, and it will help steam out all of your sinuses and keep it all clear and moving. I bought some. I actually love the smell of Albus. Am I weird? But I really, it's just such like a nostalgic smell. This Albus oil was £2.49. 99p, they're selling these like quite big spray bottles. I do actually have a smaller one that I use for the kitchen cleaning. It's got like Zoflora in, but this one is just going to be for water. And yeah, I'm gonna spray my veggies and all of my plants outside. It's quite good to mist them apparently, so I needed one of these for the garden. 79p each. I picked up 3 different face masks. I'm gonna have a spa day this week, so I've got 2 of the charcoal peel off ones. These do hurt, but actually they do make your skin super clean. Like, they really clean your pores out, and especially right now, loads of sun cream on and just junk on my pores, and I really want to clean them out. So I got 2 of those ones, and then I also got this one, which is a collagen anti-aging face mask, and I hear loads of good things about collagen, and I just never heard of this brand, so I thought I'd give it a go. It softens, smooths and improves elasticity. I don't know what it is, maybe it's not going out very much. I don't know what it is, but I've got the driest, tightest skin on my face. Like, it's so dry. I don't know if it may be hay fever actually, but I really wanted something to like really moisten my skin up. So I'm gonna try this. I only bought one just in case it's not very good. Yeah, I'll let you know on Instagram. £1.49, a Carmex. This is going to be the last one I buy. Hold me to it. The last one of these I buy. I always lose these Carmex ones. I don't know why, but I always lose them. So yeah, that's the last one I buy. And also for £2.49, I bought the extra big Sanex body wash. I really like this stuff. It smells really nice. I also really like Radox, but they didn't have any Radox today, which I found really weird. But this one is really nice, good for sensitive skin. It smells lovely and makes very good bubbles for your bubbly bubble bath. And also these, I've mentioned these in a Home Bargains haul before. I always have to buy these when I go to Home Bargains. They are basically these rice crisps made out of rice cracker, and they are delicious. They're ridiculously crunchy, spicy, garlicky. Don't know what it is about them, they're just so nice, and they're baked, so they're a really healthy snack. But if you've had them, you'll know what I mean. Also, 99p each, I got my toothpaste. I always get this toothpaste, Oral-B Extra White. And it's only 99p in Home Bargains, which is a good price. And yeah, that was my little Home Bargains haul. I feel like Home Bargains has stepped up a level, especially with the bees stuff. I just love that kind of thing. Like, that kind of thing you find in a garden centre, let alone affordable at Home Bargains. So yeah, it felt really good to get to Home Bargains, just treat myself to a couple of bits, like treat my house to a couple of bits. Felt like I was purely going out. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed seeing what I picked up in Home Bargains. What have you picked up recently? I would love to know in the comments down below. I hope you're well and safe. Thank you to every key worker out there who's watching this. Don't forget I upload 3 times every single week. So I will see you again very, very soon. I love you very much, and yeah, stay safe.